Good morning, students. I am Lakshmi Mai. I am taking 5th standard science subject. Today's our second topic is soil erosion and conservation. In previous class, you have learned about the importance of soil and soil erosion. Now, in this class, we are going to learn soil conservation. Protection of soil from erosion is called as soil conservation. You already know that the process of soil formation takes a long time. Therefore, it is very important to protect the soil around us from damage and erosion. Let us discuss some method that help in conserving soil. Soil conservation is the prevention of loss of the topmost layer of the soil from erosion and prevention of reduced fertility caused by overusage, acidification, salinization, or other chemical soil contaminations. Let us discuss some methods that help in conserving soil. First one is afforestation. The planting of trees to establish a forest in an area where there were no trees previously is called afforestation. The roots of trees hold on to the soil and prevent it from being eroded by wind and water. Planting trees on an area of land in order to form a forest. Afforestation is the process of introducing trees and seedlings to an area that has previously not been forested. It is a method to establish a forest. Next, terrace farming. In hilly areas, the slopes of hills are cut to make wide steps or terraces where crops are grown. This is called a terrace farming. The terrace reduces the force of water flowing down hill, thus reducing soil being carried away. Another advantage of terrace farms is that each step collects rainwater, which is helpful for plant growth. Terrace farming reduces soil erosion. In agriculture, a terrace is a piece of sloped plain that has been cut into a series of successively receding flat surfaces or platforms which resemble steps for the purposes of more effective farming. Next, building bunds. When it rains a lot, rivers overflow. The water of the rivers fills up the nearby lands and washes away the fertile topmost layer of the soil. To prevent this, walls of mud called bunds are built along the river banks. These bunds act as barriers and prevent the river water from flowing into the lands along the river. Thus, bunds help to prevent soil erosion. Bunds prevent topsoil from being washed away. Bunding, also called a bund wall, is a constructed remaining wall around storage where potentially polluting substances are handled, processed, or stored for the purposes of containing any unintended escape of material. Next, cover crops. When a crop is harvested, the field is often left barren off for some time till the next crop is sown. During this time, the land lies exposed to heat, water, and wind. The soil is unprotected from soil erosion. To protect the soil from erosion, small plants such as grass are grown to cover the field. The grass holds the soil, protecting it from erosion. Grass and other small plants that are grown between crops to protect the soil from erosion are called cover crops. Cover crops are often used as cattle feed. Cover crops prevent soil erosion. Cover crops are plants that are planted to cover the soil rather than for the purpose of being harvested. Cover crops manage soil erosion, soil fertility, soil quality, water, diseases in an ecological system managed and shaped by humans. So students, now it's time to take the homework. Read and write these new words in your science homework book and send on the WhatsApp. Thank you.